Hey guys, welcome back to a new video tutorial. So today we're going to be doing the follow-up video to my Bitcoin tutorial. Now this one's going to be about the actual mining procedure. So we're going to be using GUIMiner to do this. You can see I've already got it downloaded, but I'll show you where to do it. And I'm going to be using the Bitcoin Guild pool to mine. And I'll show you the difference between CPU and GPU mining and all the other things you can do in this. So first of all, we're going to go into Google and we're going to go and download the GUIMiner. Now the link will be in the description, but the website is GUIMiner.org, and you just want to download it there, and then you want to use, it's a WinRAR executable, so you'll just open it up and extract it into a new folder. So once you extract it, you'll get this folder called GUIMiner, and you want to go in there and you'll find a file, an executable called GUIMiner.exe. So you want to open that up, and this is what the GUIMiner looks like. Now first of all, we're going to need a pool, and what a pool is basically it's a website, and you mine in that pool, and then after a certain, when you hit a certain threshold of bitcoins, you'll be paid out into your wallet. So you're going to need workers, and the workers will have a username and a password, and then they will start mining. So I'm going to go back onto Google again, and I'm going to be, like I said, I'm going to be using the Bitcoin Guild, because that's the second ranked one so far. Because you can actually, if I type in best Bitcoin mining pools, you can see the top 10 here. So the first one here is 50 BTC, and then BTC Guild, so I chose that one. Now you're going to need to sign up an account. I'm already logged in here, but all you need to do is very simple to just sign in. Just go and register an account. So I'm going to log into this. And when you log in, your account should just look 00000 like this. Now what I'm going to do is go over to my settings here, and you'll see your Bitcoin, it'll be empty here like this. All you need to do is open up your multibit or your whatever client you're using, and just copy your wallet ID and just go ahead and paste it into there and press change. So there we go, it's already been assigned anyway, but there we go, that's assigned now. Now if you click on workers, you'll see that I have one worker here. Now it makes this automatically for you, so it's all good. You can change the minimum difficulty, but I'm just going to leave everything as it is, and I'm going to go ahead and start using this worker. Now what I'm going to do is make a new, if you go to file and new miner, you can make one for OpenCL, which is for ATI cards. There's the CG miner, which is for some ATI cards. There's CUDA, which is for NVIDIA cards, and the CPU miner. Now I'm just going to create one for my graphics card, and I'm going to call this Radeon 7850. That's what card I've got, and I'm going to set this up. So you need to select the server first, and I'm using BTC Guild NF. So if you're following this video, that's the one you need to select. So I'm going to enter the username, which is this, and then I'm going to type in my password as well. And then I'm just going to select my device, which isn't really, I don't really need to, because this is obviously running on my graphics card. And then I'm just going to press start mining. So you'll see that it starts mining now, and it's currently going at 291 kilohash per second. Now that's quite slow. So if I just set this up on the other one, you'll see the difference. So I'll just paste that in there. Type in my password, and I'm going to press start mining here, and we'll wait for that to start. And you can see that's going not too much faster, but if I suddenly just tick all of my cores here and press start mining, you'll see that it's shot right up. But my task manager, my CPU usage is also kind of steady. It's about 80% because it's much faster because I'm running it on, this is a hyper-threaded dual core, so it acts like a quad core, and that's what it's running on all the cores. So that's how to use the GUIMiner. This is currently working on the CPU, not the GPU. Okay, so I also created another worker here who is working, so I've got one worker there and I've got one worker here. So now that's That's basically how you start a Bitcoin miner here. Now, like I said in the last video, this isn't exactly as profitable as it used to be when the Bitcoin wasn't worth as much as it is now. But yeah, that's the end of this video tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed this very quick series, and I hope you have some fun with Bitcoins. Please like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for listening.